As I understand it, there are 2 points or foci around which your year is built in the youth group. One is a mission trip in August, which plays off of the portion of the Rule of Life to serve others. And the other is a pilgrimage in February to Taizé, which plays off of the Rule of Life provision to pray. Could you talk about the arc of the year that extends from August through February and then beyond, and how those two particular experiences shape the overall program of the youth group?
The clear third party in this is from the Rule of Life is sharing meals, which we do all year round without any effort whatsoever. But you're right, there are kind of 2 points around which everything else is built, and each one generates its own momentum. So I would be hard-pressed to define one as the beginning of the year and one as the end of the year. And in fact, we have kids who want to stay on even though they've graduated, and ones who want to come earlier because of those experiences. But what they are really is, as the director of this great program, Skip Masbeck, has described, the Hot Wheels supercharger moments, right? They build that momentum that carry you through that arc and then build it again to move further. One is not more spiritual than the other, of course, right? They are both absolutely essential. But one allows the kids to really unplug, that would being the pilgrimage to Taizé, to really unplug and do some serious self-assessment and kind of reclaim their relationship with God and with each other. And the other allows them to take that, as it's been maintained during the course of the year, in service to others and in building fantastic new relations. So, for instance, this year we were in Cuba for our mission trip. A very different experience for us. But relationships were built with the young people of Itabo, Cuba, that we're excited to see continue to grow and to work with their youth ministry and what they're doing there. Completely different experience than the experience at Taizé, but absolutely essential to us shaping these kids and helping them understand who they are.